everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be rating my fidgets from 1 to 10, 1 being the worst and 10 being the best. And they have 2 more of the slinkies, the one that is blue that says be mine and yellow that says cutie onto it. I could not find those 2, I just found the pink one that says cutie pie. And I really like this one. It is Valentine's Day themed. I am giving this a 8 out of 10. I do have a few of these, like in my collection already, that is Halloween themed. Look at that. So I am giving this one a 8 out of 10. And I do prefer the Halloween fidgets way more better since Halloween is technically my favorite and autumn is also my favorites. I'm giving this one a 10 out of 10. I really do like Simple Dimples, and I wish that it just came back again. Because when I buy the fidget set at Five Below, Walmart, Myers, the dollar store, they don't even sell Simple Dimples anymore. They straight up don't. And I really wish that those 4 stores just bring them back again. I'm giving this one a 10 out of 10 as well. Comment down below if you know if the Simple Dimples got discontinued or what. Because where I am from, it's like a little bit rare just to find them. And I am not putting where I live at on YouTube. That stays with me only. So comment down below if you know if there's any more Simple Dimples out there or if they just got discontinued. Because I can't find any where I live in. I'm also giving this a 10 out of 10 as well. And yes, this reminds me of like Halloween vibes because from the purple and green. And they do give me Halloween vibes with it. I am giving this one a 10 out of 10 as well. And yes, I am be cutting this off camera, like, so I can open it. I am giving this a 7 out of 10. The reason why, because when I tried to spin it, like right here, it wanted to get stuck like a few times. But yeah, I got this at the dollar store for $1.25. And by the way, this one glows in the dark. I did got this one at Five Below for only $1. I am giving this a 9 out of 10 because it is like a little bit hard for me to pop it in without the sides turning inwards a little bit. But I am giving this a 9 out of 10. This one also glows in the dark as well. I'm giving that a 10 out of 10. And it was also at Five Below for $1. A 10 out of 10 for this. And yes, I do get all my poppets at Five Below. And if anyone was wondering where I get all my needles at, I buy them at Myers and at Five Below. I am giving this a 10 out of 10. I'm also giving this a 10 out of 10 as well. I just really like the colors for this, for this one. Pink and blue is like one of my favorite colors. I'm giving this one a 10 out of 10 as well. I am giving this needle a 10 out of 10. It is like a little bit hard for me to push in for the poppets. This one is kind of on the quieter side for the pops. So I want to say a 7 out of 10 because it was quiet on the pops. And they do come in the exact same color. I'm giving this one a 9 out of 10 since the pops came in like a little bit louder. The pops didn't even come in clear, so I want to say 7 out of 10. It was only $3 at Myers in the Valentine's Day collection. I want to say 7 out of 10 for this as well. I want to say a 8 out of 10 for this one. I want to say a 9 out of 10 for this one. And yes, these are bracelets as well, if anyone was wondering. A 7 out of 10 for this, since the pops was like a little bit quiet. A 6 out of 10 for this because you can't even barely hear the pops out of it. So I want to say 6 out of 10 for this one. A 10 out of 10 for this one. I want to say 6 out of 10 for this since you can't even hear the pops. A 9 out of 10 for that. A 10 out of 10 for this one. Comment down below if you like the Poppet bracelets or not, or if you prefer not to get them. I'm just curious about that one. And I only have 3 fidgets left to rate. And this is the food one for the emojis. There's a soda, a hot dog, fries, chicken, a pretzel donut, and I have no idea what these two is. And I don't know why that was like a little bit difficult to open. like right there, when I was pressing down on the open thing. So I was right, there's 2 of each into it. Comment down below if these get dirty fast, because I have no idea. I am giving this one a 10 out of 10, even though the stuff is trying to come off onto it. I don't know if you can see that, like on the bottom part. I'm giving this one a 10 out of 10 as well. Comment down below if you know if these are water bottles. They look like water bottles, but I'm unsure. Or if it's like some kind of food thing, let me know. I'm giving... Okay, one of the eye just came off. It's supposed to look like this. The one of the eye came off. So I'm gonna say a 9 out of 10. Comment down below if you know if the pictures comes off of it really easily, like how this one did with the eye. And this one is trying to break. Like on top. Like, so therefore this one just broke on camera. Like it just broke on camera. So I want to say an 8 out of 10 for this one. Because it kind of broke on camera, but I hope it does not break anymore. There's 2 hot dogs I have in my hand. A 10 out of 10 for this. 10 out of 10 for the second one too. Comment down below if these are seafood. Like, I have no idea. It's either chicken or seafood for this. A 10 out of 10 for this one. And a 10 out of 10 for this one. I do have my favorite, which is pretzels. Comment down below if this one looks like a little bit darker than the other one. I'm giving this a 10 out of 10. And I'm giving this one a 10 out of 10 as well. These two look like drinks and all that. Comment down below which one is your favorite pop, or if it's like milk and all that, like chocolate, vanilla, chocolate white, and strawberry milk. Comment down below which kind of drink is your favorite. My favorite drink has to be the A&W pop. I'm giving both of these a 10 out of 10. Comment down below if you like eating chicken or what. Look at that. Because to be honest, I don't like eating chicken. Look at that. I prefer turkey over chicken. That's my opinion of it. So I am giving these a 9 out of 10 because I'm like a little bit scared that if I stretch both of these like out, then like the legs will come off, like straight up come off. And the last two out of this pack is the fries. And I do like fries and all that, but I don't even eat them like that. I am giving these a 10 out of 10. And what is everyone's favorite fries from any fast food? Mine has to be from McDonald's. I do like the McDonald's fries. And yes, I'm putting it back all in the container again. I'm still like a little bit disappointed that the eye came off of this one. And the top of it, but this one came apart. But for this alone, I am giving the whole container a 10 out of 10. I am gonna cut the wrapping off camera. Because I have no idea if like YouTube allows to have like any scissors in the video, like right there. I have no idea for them. That's why I usually cut things off camera. And I hope this one's not difficult to open because it is like a little bit hard to open up. And this is the animal themed one. There's a hippo. I forgot the name to this one. There's a monkey. I believe that one is a lion. A zebra, a cat, a sloth. And I believe this one is a koala. And this video is almost 26 minutes long. Like almost. It's at 25:50. And there's 16 in this one. I am giving this a 10 out of 10. There's a hippo, which this one's going to be my favorite so far for the hippo one. I'm giving this one a 10 out of 10 as well. And this one is so cute. Look at this. Yes, I am a animal person. Look at there, and I do like all kinds of animals. I am giving these two a 10 out of 10 as well. If anyone knows what kind of animal this is, let me know. I don't know if it's a koala laying down or what. Comment down below if it is a koala laying down. I'm giving this a 10 out of 10 as well. This cat one is also my favorite, so I want to say a 10 out of 10 for this. Comment down below if this is a lion or a tiger, one of those two, but it's so adorable. So I want to say a 10 out of 10 for this. There's a zebra and all that. I believe it is a zebra. Correct me if I'm wrong. And there's no edits or cuts in this video, and this video is technically 30 minutes long as of now. I am giving this one a 10 out of 10. And the last ones I have is monkeys. They are my favorite animal. I am giving these a 10 out of 10. Like a 10 out of 10. And if anyone is wondering which one is my favorites out of this one, it will be the monkey and the hippos. They are my favorite out of this pile. And yes, I am putting these back in the container again. The animal one, the jungle one, has to be a 10 out of 10 as well. Like for me. And there's only one more left to open up. And that's the Hello Kitty stress balls. I remember there's a Hello Kitty like drink that is lime and all that. That was from Five Below, but they was discontinued. If anyone knows what I'm talking about, it comes in a red bottle, like a red can, and it will say like Hello Kitty lime onto it for the drink. And I used to get them a lot, like a lot. But if anyone wants, like if anyone knows why they got discontinued, let me know, because there was always $2.50, like with their 3-something at Five Below. So if anyone knows why those Hello Kitty lime drinks got discontinued, just let me know. For some reason, I cannot pronounce the name for this one. Like, I can't. For the Hello Kitty one, I am giving it a 10 out of 10. For bats, BADTZ, I believe that's how you pronounce it, the spelling, I am giving this one a 9 out of 10. For Pom Pom, I'm giving this stress ball a 10 out of 10. And for Cinnamon, I'm giving this one a 10 out of 10 as well. I found the picture on Google what I was talking about for the Hello Kitty pop and all that I always buy at Five Below. If anyone knows why this was always discontinued at Five Below, just let me know. Because I always get them all the time. Like whenever me and my mom goes to Five Below. But make sure to like this video, give this video a big thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. And I really hope that everyone enjoys this video.